Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to list on Facebook Marketplace. In particular, we're going to be using the iPhone because most of you are on a phone right now. Hey, what's going on? Again, my name's Kevin J. Pineau. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, reviewing my favorite products, trying to help you out to make some quick cash to help change your life for your family. What we're going to do next is we're going to jump on the phone and I'm going to walk you through some steps. Oh. Jump on Marketplace. Click on your profile. Now, before we create the listing, I wanted to show you something that you should know. Click on locations. You have a suggested radius based on your neighborhood, and then you have a custom radius. If you click custom radius, you can adjust that from 10 miles out to 100 miles. If you need to adjust anything, go to settings. You can change your location, how people can see it, custom messages. Good job, bud. Create listing. We're going to be selling a Nerf gun. So if you don't have photos, you click add photos. Oops. Add photos. Try to take nice bright pictures. 1. Use. 2. Use. Done. You can choose up to 10 pictures. Title. Done. Switch. Price. $10. Category. Huge list of categories. Ooh, toys and games. Used good. Okay. We're not going to be shipping. We'll do that in a different video, so make sure you subscribe. Next. This is a tip that most people miss. It'll automatically list there, but if you scroll down, you can join groups. I can list this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so 10 places on top of where you want to do, where you want to send it, and then publish. And there you have it. All set. Now I click on that listing. There it is. There's the pictures I just took. If we're going to toy split, $10. And it'll show all the details there and everywhere it's been listed. Okay, I've given you everything you needed to know to start listing stuff around your house on Facebook while using your phone. If you're watching this on your phone, you can do it right now. You can apply those steps immediately. And I implore you to do that. Why not get rid of some stuff around your house, make a few extra bucks? And if you really want to learn how to make more money online, I invite you to check out in the link below, kevinjpino.com/success. I am an affiliate with this company, and it is a training on how to learn how to market online, particularly in affiliate marketing. You go through that page, enter in your email, it'll give you access to a free video that I did introducing you to a 15-day online business builder challenge and the trainer, Dave. Go down there, check it out. If not, make sure you grab the subscribe button and get more tips like this in the future to help you make some more money online, make your life a little bit better, or just help you solve a problem that you're trying to get through. It's something as simple as listing on Facebook Marketplace. Until next time, check it out. I don't have a closer.